Unfortunately, you cannot get monetized on YouTube in 60 seconds. YouTube has a set of criteria and a review process that creators must go through before their channels are eligible for monetization. As of my last update in September 2021, here are the requirements for YouTube monetization. YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Requirements. 1,000 subscribers. Your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers. 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Your videos must have generated at least 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. AdSense account. You need to have an AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. This is how you'll get paid once you start earning money. Follow YouTube's monetization policies. This includes adhering to YouTube's community guidelines, terms of service, copyright rules, and ad-friendly content guidelines. Location. Your country must be one of the locations where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Review process. Once you've met the watch hour and subscriber count requirements, YouTube will review your channel. This process ensures your channel is compliant with YouTube's policies. This review process can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks. The key to successful monetization on YouTube is creating consistent, high-quality content that resonates with an audience. It takes time and effort to reach the monetization thresholds. If someone claims that you can get monetized on YouTube in 60 seconds, it's likely a misleading claim or a scam. Always be cautious and rely on information directly from YouTube's official resources.